Vivek. Yeah. Hello, everyone. Today, let me welcome everyone to our presentation of our website, which is nothing but a job portal. So, we have designed a website which helps us in posting a job as well as seeking the recruiters for job portal. So, let me start with our introduction. Finding job that best suits the interest and skill set is quite a challenging task for the job seekers. The difficulties arise from not having a proper knowledge on the organization's objective, their work culture, and current job openings. In addition, finding the right candidate with desired qualification to fill their current job openings is an important task for the recruiters of any organization. Our website, which is an online job portal, has certainly made job seeking convenient on both the sides. Job portal is a solution where recruiters as well as the job seekers meet, aiming at fulfilling their individual requirements. They are the cheapest as well as the fastest source of communication, reaching wide range of audience on just a single click, irrespective of their geographical distance. The website Job Search Portal provides an easy and convenient search site for the job seekers to find their desired jobs and for the recruiters to find the right candidate. Job seekers from any background can search for the current job openings, as well as the job seekers can register and update their details and skill set, and even they can uh, update their skills, and they can search for available jobs and apply to their desired positions. On the other side, employer can register with the website and post their current openings. They can view the job applicants and can screen them according to their best fit. Users can also provide a review about an organization and share their experience, which can be viewed by employers. Now, after giving a brief introduction about our website, let me take you to the what are the objectives of our web portal. So let me now tell you about what are the objectives of our web portal. Objectives of the website is to provide flexibility to the job seekers by providing the functionalities of both job search and job application in a single website. In addition to this, our website will also be providing an effective means for the employers to post job vacancies and view the job applicants by the interested applicants in a single website. And employees can also view the reviews provided by the job seekers. It also provides an effective means for the employers to post job openings with required qualification to have a better penetration into the job market, and job seekers to find out the information regarding the current openings in the organization. And even the employees can review the provides offered by the applicants to make necessary improvements in the system if needed. Now, these were some of the objectives of our job portal website. Now, we'll look into the scope of the project as well as the software use. Now, I would like to call my friend Sumit to continue with the further explanation.
So now we'll see scope of our projects, that is job portal. The job search portal is a website which serves job seekers to find available job vacancies and employers to identify eligible job seekers with prospect of selecting the most qualified candidates. The only way to select best qualified candidate is to have a pool of eligible applicants, which is possible by drawing the interest of individual in the market. Job search portals best serve this purpose. E-recruitment. E-recruitment has become the most standard means for employers and job seekers to meet their respective objectives. The traditional methods for recruitment include job fairs, university career, employment services, employee referrals, advertising in the newspapers, televisions, etc. With the advancement in technology and growth of internet usage, the e-recruitment has revolutionized the way organizations hire and candidates search for the job. With the online job search portals, the recruitment process is speeded up at every stage, from job postings to receiving applications from candidates, interviewing process, etc. The cost of searching, posting a job will be much less compared to the traditional way of advertising. Job search portals stands as an effective means for employers to outline job vacancies, responsibilities, and qualifications to attract job seekers. Using the portal, job seekers can extensively search for job in companies, organizations, and regions they may otherwise have not learned. So now we'll see what softwares we have used to make this website. Based on the job search portal website requirements, we have made the choice of frameworks to be used. We have used the programming languages of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We have also added jQuery, open source software, along with Bootstrap for the CSS. So software requirements were operating system, which we used Windows 10 or 7. IDE, we used brackets Visual Studio Code. For front end, we used HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap. And for viewing the website, we can use any browser, the Chrome, Firefox, etc. Now I'll call my friend Venkatesh to do a live demo of our website.
Okay, so let me give you a tour of our entire website. This is our code over here on GitHub, and it is live, which is through GitHub Pages. So if I view the deployment, it'll take you to our homepage. Now this is our homepage over here. The icon, if I click on the icon, it'll again load our homepage. This is our navigation bar where we have the home button, about button, the candidate section, the contact section. If it's an employer, he can post a job. If it's an employee, he can click on want a job. And you can see over here that we also have a search bar where he can type for a type of job, where you can look for a type of job you're looking for. You can also enter the category as your part-time, freelance, internship, temporary. You can also enter the location. And we have some of the top categories, top jobs and everything. And if you scroll down again, we are showing the recent jobs that are kind of hot in the market. And we have some statistics over here. We also have the feedback of people who have used the website and they have got a job. And then we also have some of the latest candidates who got a job using our website. You all can also subscribe to our newsletter to get more updates on jobs. And here is our footer where we have the about section, we have the employer section, we have the workers section. And if the person has any doubts or any questions, they can call us or they can email us, or they can also reach out to us on our address over here. And then finally, like, we have given credit to ourselves by entering a name. Now, coming back to the home page, if I click on the about section, over here, you will be able to see some details about ourselves. And again, we have the same thing, the clients part, the newsletter part, and the foot bar. Now, coming to the candidates section, over here, we show you some of the top candidates who are looking for a job or who have applied for a job and so on. After that, we have the contact page where they can contact us and they can reach out to us. Now, if I click on post a job, if somebody wants to post a job, it looks something like this. You can give the job title, you can give the company, you can give the job type, location, and the job description. And once it's done, you can post it. If you want a job, if you're looking for a job, you can click on want a job and you can apply for a job over here. Over here, we have also given an option to find a candidate so that you can search somebody's name, you can pick the category and find a location, and you can click on search. So coming back to find a job, over here as well, you can enter the type of job you're looking for. You can enter the category that you want, that you're looking for, freelance, full-time. You can also enter a location, the preferred location, like let us say Delhi or Bangalore, or anything like that. Again, we display some top categories so that people know what type of jobs are being trending in the market and so on. So yeah, that will be all with the website. And the code is over here on our GitHub. And also the website is live using GitHub Pages. With that, the website live demo is completed. Now, coming back to the next part, we have our conclusion.
Okay, hello everyone. I'm Vivek Vagadde, and I am here to do the conclusion part. Our web project, which is on job portals using various programming languages like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The project has been made as per given specifications. It provides knowledge about the latest technology used in web-enabled application and client-server technology that will be in great demand in future. Our project job portal stands as a revolutionizing element in the sphere of recruitment. They act as a communication bridge between applicants, and recruiters, facilitating their requirements. This application helps organizations to have a greater exposure to the candidates and also job seekers, facilitating wide search of jobs matching their interests. This job provides an enhanced user experience for both employer and job seekers. It provides user-friendly interface which facilitates in reaching wide range of audience. The application has achieved all the requirements that were initially set in the requirements. This project taught us some best practices in the technology stack, like using CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, in designing a web page, starting from the practice of researching and discovering the requirements of a system from users construction, implementation, and testing. We have gained a very good experience working with various technologies at every phase. Development of this project boosted our confidence in web development. Thank you. That is it from us.
All right, with that, a demo is completed. Thank you, everybody.